Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I was fixing to delete this file. In the previous video, if you watched it, I colored in the segments just to make a color, and I started thinking about time consuming, how it is going to be so time consuming to smart fill each one of these colors in on all three levels. Well, you don't have to do that. If you will take all this, all three of these, and Control G to group it together, then we're going to take our Smart Fill tool, and since we're already on purple, we'll make that one purple. And we're going to go back up to normal colors and go blue, and then get this green. And because all three of those are separated and this is a group, we can select them and we can Control G, group them. And then this time we're going to use the transformation docker, put it in the center, and then open up the transformation docker, transform, go to rotation. And if you remember, if you've been following along, we did 15 degrees. We only need 23. There's going to be 24, but we've already got one. So in a click of a button, you filled all those in. And then to finish the product, we could grab a yellow, fill in that with yellow, go to red, fill that in with red, and I actually made green in the center, but that's no big deal. So in a lot less time than coloring in, well, 24, like 73 colors, you only had to fill in 3 and just rotate them. Anyway, then if you delete your lines away, or your black, you get that. Hope that helped just a little bit.